Oh, yeah. I just got to the study room. Yeah. For some reason, my phone went off. Yeah. But I didn't get any emails, and I haven't been able to speak to my sons or to Marilyn. Now, while I was standing outside, I got to thinking about the actual education of those that are in government. Now, there seemed to be some disagreement with my interpretation of the law as it relates to barratry. In the Revised Code of Washington State, I think it's in RCW 9.12.010. Yes. Every person who brings on his or her own behalf or instigates, incites, or encourages another to bring any false suit at law or in equity in any court of this state with intent thereby to distress, yes, or harass a defendant in the suit, or who serves or sends any paper or document purporting to be or resembling a judicial process that is not, in fact, judicial process, yeah, is guilty of a misdemeanor. It's just a misdemeanor. And in case the person offending is an attorney, Brett Basden, he or she may, in addition thereto, be disbarred from practicing law within the state. Yeah. Now, this judicial process that you served on me, yes, where I didn't get any notice or opportunity to be heard, yes. It was actually served in the Squinton Public Library by an individual that is not a sheriff. Now, the sheriff's department says, well, we can give your private information to anybody we want. But there's a problem because this judicial process, right, has certain requirements of the RCWs to be able to issue it. Yes. See, from June 1st to June 12th, there was a requirement to attempt service on the respondent. Yes. And then from June 12th to July 31st, there was 48 days between those two dates. Yeah. But I provided to you what the actual requirements of the RCWs are. Now, this judicial process was issued to me in a library, yes, without the signature of the petitioner, yes. It looks like a judicial process, yeah, but there is no actual signature of the petitioner on it. And as you can see here, there's a forgery. Oh, now I'm thinking this forgery is the forgery of Brent Basden. Now, most all judicial processes require the signature of the individual that petitioned the court. It's a requirement that you actually have to appear in court, yes, and you have to be present. Now, the individuals who brought this suit, yes, on their own behalf, now it could have been Brent Basden, right, could have been Leslie Bond, pooch, could have been some other person that said they had the fiduciary authority to issue a protection order other than the actual petitioner. Now, you, every person, Brent Basden, Christy Miller, Leslie Bond, yes, you decided on your own behalf to instigate, incite, or encourage somebody, yes, to issue this protection order. And as a false suit at law, because even though it sounds like plaintiff, defendant, yes, this has an element of criminality. Yes, it does. Or inequity in any state of this court, with the intent thereby to distress myself, yes, quite possibly distress the petitioner if she didn't agree to have it issued. Let's go ahead. And to distress my 5 sons that happen to be in the wrong grades in the Quilcene School District. Yes. And then you have harassed me as the respondent. Yes. Because of the number of times that you have arrested me for the allegation of violating it. Now, this barratry, yes, as defined in the Revised Code of the State of Washington, yes, is and has been used to harass me. Hate crimes, Brent. Now, Since you decided to issue this on your own at your own discretion, yes, without the consent of the protected person, yes, without the signature of the petitioner, yes, utilizing a forgery of the court, yes, without any actual notice or opportunity for myself to be heard, and considering the number of times I've been arrested for the allegation of violating a vile